How to change Snapchat password. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right. Once you're here, click on password, and here it tells you that to set a new password you need to enter your current one first, so go ahead and do that. Once you're done, click on continue to move on to the next step, and here you will be able to enter your new password. It tells you to set a good password by using a combination of lower and upper cases, letters, numbers, and symbols. So go ahead and enter your new password. Enter it again in the confirmation box, and once you do that, click on save to confirm and save the changes. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Snapchat password. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.